Good morning. This is Jennye, pro makeup artist. I did conceal my eyes with the hourglass. This is the hourglass. The shade I'm using always is Birch. It's high coverage. I love it because considering that it's high coverage, is very easy, you know, to move the product around the rest of my eyes. I proceed and give a little light with the same concealer, you know, on the center of my face, including the center of my forehead, in between my eyes. So next step, I'm going to proceed to set my eyes with Chanel powder Universe Libre, very fine particles, to apply it under your eyes and sealing the work I did, you know, on my eyes so far. As you can tell, it's completely seamless. I'm in love with this product. Okay, I'm here with the product I'm going to be using, which is Blackout from the McGRATH. This is the product. Okay, it's totally black matte color fix. So I'm going to proceed to apply the color on my eyelid, okay? So I'm going to diffuse it to you. I did pack the product of color fix and blackout over my eyelid, and I'm shaping or mapping, you know, what I need in order to proceed with this beautiful makeup look. It's a very pretty editorial makeup look. I hope that I can get it right, and I'm going to be using a MAC Cosmetic palette. Okay, it is Designer Art Library. That is the name. So I will be using the black matte shade. Okay, so I'm going to apply the matte shade all over the paint I already deposited on my eyelid. Okay, because I want intensity, so the shade by the center of my lower eyelid go a little bit fading. Okay, so I'm going to be that gradient step with a very light gray. Hello, I'm here. I've been working mapping my second eye and diffusing the product Blackout. When I'm diffusing, I'm making sure, you know, for the symmetry of my eyes. So this is just a Blackout color fix from the McGRATH. As I need to apply more product, I keep adding little by little. Remember, always is better to control the amount after you diffuse. You still thinking you can benefit from a little bit more, so you can keep adding. I keep shaping this line. This shape is a light gray. Press glitters from the same palette from MAC. So I invite you to stay with me as I continue with the second phase of this makeup look. Sephora grapefruit wipes, because this is very porous side, which is very recommended for cleaning your face, and the other one is very smooth. So what I'm going to do here, cleaning, and I start mapping the line, the orange line. As you can see, it's a graphic line there, and that is going to be covered with rhinestones, okay? And I keep packing eyeshadow on this art nail brush. Okay, so the eyeshadow, I still using it from the same palette from MAC. This foundation is by Dior Forever. It's a very lightweight foundation. I love it. It's neutral. But it's just going to give me good enough for this look, okay? This foundation is buildable, okay? So depending on what is your goal, You can apply it 2 or 3 times depending what is the effect you're looking for. On the bottom of my eyelid, I did apply the shade Cosmic from the NYX. It's a metallic shimmery shade. It's just on the bottom of my eyelid. I have so much fun doing it, and require a lot of technique, you know, technique skills on the process, and I hope that you learn, you know, something from this tutorial. I really love it, and this color actually reminds me of the pumpkin for Thanksgiving that is coming. It's a very pretty color that's sweet, very nice for this makeup look that is basically white, black, gray, you know. And so I'm going to get all the rest of the product that I need in order to continue. I am proceeding right now applying Magic Potion from Carla Cosmetics. This product look like this. It's like a gel that activates the moonstone, opal moonstone. Okay, it's from Carla Cosmetics multitask brush. This brush is from my Kitco. Okay, so I'm applying this as a highlight, yeah, on the high point of my cheeks. Okay, I hope you can notice it. Maybe I need to apply many times. Oh yeah, I can start seeing the shade. Very pretty. I like it. I hope that you understand the concept of this makeup look, and I will see you soon after the photo shoot. I will be posting everything, the process of this makeup look. This is a graphic look, high fashion definitely. And I'm going to finish with one coat of mascara on my eyes and I'm done. So see you.